Hello guys, it's Paul from dronesgetter.com and today we have on the menu a newly released drone from Holystone. Holystone being one of the more notable toy drone companies in the United States. Although the product is actually made in China, I did see an improvement when it comes to the quality control. It probably has been designed in the United States and made in China. Or at least I can say there's no fake buttons on the transmitter. Links to check the current prices are in the description. In the box, besides spare propellers and a screwdriver, we do indeed find a transmitter that looks pretty good, besides the fact that the logo hasn't been glued very well in place. Next, there's two 750 mAh batteries at 3.7 volts, and it seems they are proprietary, which means they work perfectly with this drone, and only this one. The quadcopter itself has a very slim profile and a foldable design. The foldable design isn't just for show, as you can fly it both in folded and unfolded mode, depending on how big you want its footprint to be. It has rubber feet that make the landing easier and a very interesting on and off button. I actually had to read the instructions to find this one. The button is actually the logo on top. I do recommend that you read the manual. That's also where you'll find the name of the app to download for your Android or Apple device. This quadcopter also comes with a small 720p camera on front. What's unique about this controller is that it comes with a slot for inserting a drone battery instead of the usual AA alkalines. This is quite a unique design choice that I don't think I've seen before. We're getting two batteries in the package, so how does that help us? Well, you can basically use one battery on the drone, and when that one is depleted, you change it with the one that was in the transmitter. That will work because the transmitter doesn't need much power to run, so you basically have two batteries for the drone. The transmitter also doubles as a charging station. You can use the included micro USB cable to charge the battery directly on the transmitter itself. It also has a hatch for your phone, and the usual controls. It comes with 3 speed rates. The sport mode is the most fun in my opinion, and it can even do flips. There is a single trimming button which makes things less complicated. A launch and land button, a video and photo button, and even a headless mode button that works great. The headless function is for people who don't always want to take note of where the aircraft nose is. The most unique function, however, is the button right here, which enables you to switch between folded and unfolded flying modes. In folded mode, you won't be able to use the camera because it's covered and the head of the drone is on one of the arms right here. You can put it in this mode by pressing once on the button. The unfolded mode is helpful for when you want the drone to have a bigger frame overall, either to see it better or to make it a better flyer outside. In folded mode, it's better suited for indoors flight, I guess. When flying in unfolded mode, you'll be able to use the phone to record video from the 720p camera. The video it takes is quite average for this type of drone, and it does its job well. It's nothing more than a toy drone in my opinion, and you can probably use it for some drone selfies or to see some place from a higher perspective. The range for the video feed is somewhere around 50 meters, but you'll probably be able to at least fly it up to 100. And frankly, this is what this drone is supposed to be, a fun to fly toy quadcopter for beginners. The camera, let's say, we should consider it to be optional. At the current price, I could compare it with the Tello or the Drone X from DI, which are pretty good camera drones but are less fun to fly because they don't come with a transmitter. If we compare their specs on dronesgetter.com, we can see that the Tello comes with quite a lot more battery life than both the other two, and the Drone X from DI has a 1080p camera. They also come with optical flow stabilization, so they fly more steady. The Holystone does have the advantage of a transmitter and foldable design, but frankly, this drone serves another purpose. It's fast, nimble, and made for speedy fun. The flexible and resilient prop guards also underline the fact that this is made for crashing and learning. You can also only use the phone to fly the drone just like the other two. This way you'll have some space when traveling. I found that one battery keeps the drone in the air for about 7 to 8 minutes, so 2 batteries should give you about 15 minutes of fun. There are links in the description for checking the price and comparing it with other drones. If you go in the link in the description, you'll be able to use my comparison tool on the site to filter drones by your favorite criteria, including price. These are drones that I have tested personally and also reviewed on the site. You can then add them to the comparison and see which specs you like best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon if you want to see more videos from me. See you later, alligator!